In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily. If you're creating a presentation and want your ideas to look cleaner, more organized, and easier to follow, bullet points are one of the simplest tools you can use. Whether you're building a school project, a work presentation, or just learning LibreOffice Impress for the first time, this tutorial will walk you through every step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, go to the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. That will open a brand new slideshow where you can begin designing your content. If you already have a presentation saved, you can open that existing file instead and continue working from there. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide where you want to add bullet points, then click inside a text box on the slide. This is important because bullet points only work when you're typing into a text area. After that, look up at the top toolbar and find the bulleted list icon. This is the button that turns your text into bullet points. Click it once and you'll see the formatting change right away. Now type your first bullet point. As soon as you start typing, the text will appear with a bullet beside it. When you want to add another bullet point, simply press Enter on your keyboard. LibreOffice Impress will automatically create a new bullet line for you, so you can keep typing each point one after the other. This makes it very easy to build a clear list without manually formatting every line. If you want to stop using bullet points and go back to normal text, you can turn the bulleted list option off again from the toolbar. That gives you full control over how your slide looks. You can also combine bullet points with different text sizes, colors, and layouts to make your presentation more visually appealing. The best part is that bullet points help break up long information into smaller, easier to read sections, which is exactly what makes presentations more effective. So if you're presenting ideas, steps, or key facts, this is a great formatting choice. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add bullet points in LibreOffice Impress in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.